Violence erupted in central Delhi on July 20th as the Cockroach Janata Party's Chalo Sansad March clashed with police on the opening day of the monsoon session of Parliament. Thousands of protesters, including students, parents, and senior citizens, marched from Jantar Mantar demanding the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over the NEET paper leak and examination irregularities. The protests turned violent after police stopped the march with barricades. As demonstrators tried to move forward, police used tear gas and a lathi charge to disperse the crowd. More than 118 protesters and police personnel were injured, while around 100 people were detained. Police later cleared the protest site at Jantar Mantar after withdrawing permission for the demonstration. The CJP alleged that several women protesters were harassed during the crackdown. It also claimed that Sonam Wangchuk's wife, Gitanjali Angmo, was assaulted while trying to protect protesters. There was confusion after CJP claimed Dipke had been detained while police tried to remove him. The group later said protesters prevented his detention, a claim denied by Delhi police. The CJP accused Delhi police of using excessive force against peaceful protesters, while police said those detained were not students and that their identities were being verified. By evening, CJP's Abhijit Dipke, Ashutosh Ranka and Saurav Das and Wangchuk's wife Gitanjali Angmo shifted their sit-in to Kerala House, vowing to continue the agitation. Meanwhile, Pradhan met Home Minister Amit Shah before holding a meeting with Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. Meanwhile, the centre opened talks with the protesters. Union Minister JP Nadda met a two-member CJP delegation and assured them that their demands, including the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, would be discussed within the government. CJP leaders said no assurance had been given on the demands, but claimed they were told there would be no further police action around Jantar Mantar. The protest, which began on June 20th, gained momentum after activist Sonam Wangchuk joined the agitation with an indefinite hunger strike.